At the gym.
Good morning. I would like to join this gym.
Good morning. We'd be happy to help. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Great. We have several membership plans.
Can you tell me about them?
We offer monthly, 6-month, and yearly membership.
Which one is the most popular?
Most people choose the yearly plan because it costs less each month.
That sounds like a good deal.
Would you like to see the gym before you decide?
Yes, please.
This way, we have a cardio area, a weight room, and a yoga studio.
Everything looks clean and modern.
Thank you. We clean the equipment every day.
Are fitness classes included?
Yes, all group classes are included with your membership.
That's great. Do you also have personal trainers?
Yes, you can book a trainer for an additional fee.
I'd like the yearly membership.
Excellent choice. May I have your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Please fill out this membership form.
Okay, I'm finished.
Perfect. Your membership is now active.
Wonderful. When can I start working out?
You can start today.
Thank you. I'm excited to begin.
You're welcome. Enjoy your workout.
Lost child at mall.
Excuse me, please help me. I can't find my son.
Please stay calm. When did you last see him?
About 10 minutes ago in the toy section.
What is your son's name?
His name is Ethan.
How old is he?
He is 6 years old.
What was he wearing?
A blue t-shirt, black shorts, and white shoes.
Do you have a recent photo of him?
Yes, here is a picture on my phone.
Thank you. This photo will help us.
I am really worried.
Don't worry. We will start looking right away.
Thank you so much.
I will inform our security team immediately.
Should I keep looking too?
Please stay near the information desk. If he comes back, he will find you here.
Okay, I will stay here.
We have announced his name over the mall speaker.
I hope he hears it.
One of our security guards just called me.
Did they find him?
Yes, he is safe and waiting at the children's play area.
Oh, thank goodness.
Please come with me. I'll take you to him.
Thank you for helping me find my son.
You're welcome. We're glad he is safe.
Lost bag at bus stop.
Excuse me, is this the Lost and Found office?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
I think I left my backpack on the bus.
When did this happen?
About an hour ago.
Can you describe the backpack?
It is black with red stripes.
Was there anything valuable inside?
Yes, my laptop, books, and house keys.
Do you remember the bus number?
Yes, it was bus 25.
That's helpful. Let me check our records.
Thank you. I hope someone found it.
One moment, please.
Sure.
Good news. A driver turned in a backpack about 30 minutes ago.
Really? That's wonderful.
Can you tell me what is inside to confirm it is yours?
There is a blue notebook, a silver laptop, and a water bottle.
Everything matches.
I am so relieved.
Please sign this form before I return it.
Of course.
Here is your backpack.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Please check that everything is inside.
Yes, everything is here.
Great. Have a safe day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
At the pharmacy.
Excuse me, I bought this medicine from your pharmacy yesterday.
Is there a problem with it?
Yes, I just noticed that it expired last month.
Oh, let me check the package.
Here it is.
I am very sorry. You are right. This medicine has expired.
I was about to give it to my father.
I'm glad you checked the date first.
How did this happen?
It looks like we made a mistake while stocking the shelf.
I was surprised to see the expiration date.
We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience.
I need the correct medicine today.
Of course, I will replace it with a new one immediately.
Thank you.
Please wait a moment while I get a fresh box.
Okay.
Here is the new medicine. Please check the expiration date.
This one expires next year.
Yes, this is the correct one.
Thank you for replacing it so quickly.
You're welcome. We will also check all the medicines on the shelf.
That is a good idea.
We never want this to happen again.
I appreciate your honesty.
Thank you for bringing it to our attention.
I hope no one else bought the expired medicine.
We will remove any expired products immediately.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe and healthy day.